Hey friends, on today's quick tech tutorial video, we are going to be installing this ultra-thin HD TV antenna. This is a digital antenna onto our modern smart TV. Now, obviously we bought the Best Buy Essentials. This is something that can be bought online. We'll put some links in the description box below if you want to purchase something like this on Amazon. But most of these digital antennas are going to install the exact same way. You can see this one has a 35-mile range as well as a 10-foot cable. So let's go ahead and unbox this and we'll get it installed. Okay, here's that ultra thin antenna outside of the box. You can see that this really is just razor thin. I mean, just like a piece of paper. So really nice profile. It really does hide away. It also came with these little double-sided tape pieces. That way you can actually take this up to a wall, maybe near a window if you need better signal. Again, we're just going to be mounting this on the back of our TV, which is another idea. Okay, we're going to be installing our digital antenna onto this large screen TV that's mounted in our room. And basically we're looking at the back now. So basically you have this cable that comes out of our digital antenna. Now what I've done is I've actually put this back here, kind of did a pre-install to make sure everything was working great, and it is. So again, here's our digital antenna. You can either use those sticky tabs to put it onto the back of the TV, or like I've done, I can actually slide this right back in and it will actually stay put up in back of our mount. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that cable and you're gonna be looking for the antenna portion of your TV. Now this is an input that is standard on most of these smart TVs. It looks exactly like this. You can see that it's threaded around the end and then it has that white input like that, again on our TV. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the end of our TV antenna cable. You can see that it has a threaded end on this side here. And we're basically just gonna bring it over and I'm gonna stick it right into that input. And then basically I'm just going to tighten down that end. Okay, input, and it should look something like that. And then basically what you need to find a good place for your antenna to be housed. Now, thankfully we're in an upstairs room. So basically I just put the cabling behind here. It sits inside of our mounting rack on the wall and it just hides everything really nicely. Now, if you're in a basement or something like that, you may need to try and extend this out towards a window or somewhere where it can pick up a signal a little bit better. Do some testing and figure out what works best for you. That's it, friends. You can turn on your smart TV, select the antenna input or live TV, and everything should work great. Hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned. We got a bunch more tech tutorial videos coming up soon.